In this video, we will explore what preparations are needed to start with AI. First of all, what programs do we need for AI? Nowadays, companies like Google and Amazon provide simplified environments for implementing AI. However, to apply our own data to AI, some coding skills are required. Various programming languages can be used for coding, but Python is the most widely used programming language for AI development. Following this trend, universities have recently designated programming language courses, with Python being the most commonly taught language, especially for freshmen. There are various programs available for using Python, and here we will use Jupyter Notebook, which is free to use. Alternatively, you can also use Google Colab, which is similar to Jupyter Notebook in terms of usage. In other words, we will run the Jupyter Notebook program and use Python coding to run libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras, which are essential for AI development. This slide captures a screen for AI coding. It demonstrates, using the Jupyter Notebook, which was introduced in the previous slide, we can import the AI library called Keras, using the Python programming language. Let's talk about installing Jupyter Notebook. Firstly, you need to install Anaconda. Anaconda is a platform that bundles various packages related to Python, making it easier to set up virtual environments and manage packages. Since the versions are constantly being updated, it's better to search on the internet for detailed installation instructions. After installing Anaconda, you can simply click on Jupyter Notebook, as shown in this slide, to start using it. When you run Jupyter Notebook, it runs in a web browser like Chrome, and you can start coding in Python by opening a new window. After entering the simple code shown in this slide, you can click Run or press Ctrl, enter simultaneously to execute it. If you obtain results similar to those shown here, you are ready to start AI coding. You may encounter errors while installing the necessary software for AI, especially when teaching students, as each student may have a different computer environment, leading to various issues. In such cases, using Google Colab can be a good alternative. Google Colab not only eliminates the stress of installation errors, but also provides an environment with features like GPUs. It also has a similar user interface to Jupyter Notebook. You can visit this site, log in with your Google account, and start coding similarly to Jupyter Notebook. If you have succeeded in using Jupyter Notebook or Colab up to this point, you are ready to start AI coding. In the next video, we will learn about importing and pre-processing data, which are essential for building AI models.